This is the poorly maintained elevator at JCPenney. It's a 1986 Montgomery A series, which, according to Patrick Neds, does a huge jolt as a noisy door operator. This is one of the elevators at JCPenney at Ross Park Mall. Here is the machine room. U2.
Take it down a notch.
Door close will close in a minute. Here we go. It's the infamous one that does a huge jolt.
Let's run much better.
Because it's been used.
Maybe.
It only does that jolt when it sits for a couple of minutes. There you go.
You going right again or you going?
L1. The interior is looking good.
And that's where the city looks like money.
Your basic elevator, A series, no phone. At least it got an alarm bell. Emergency light right here. Certificate of operations in the accounting. That's it.